Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today, we're taking a detailed look at the Zebra Technologies ZT41046T01000Z Series ZT410 4-inch DT/TT tabletop printer. Now, if you're in the market for a high-performance, industrial-grade label printer that handles both direct thermal and thermal transfer printing, this might just be the one. And, of course, if you want to grab one for yourself, check the link in the description below. So, let's dive right in. Zebra is a company that's been synonymous with professional-grade labeling and barcode printing for decades, and the ZT410 series is no exception. At first glance, the build quality immediately stands out. This printer is rugged, designed to survive in a variety of work environments, from warehouses to retail back offices. The metal frame and durable components make it clear that this isn't your typical consumer-grade printer, this is something built to last. Now, talking about specifications, this particular model features a 4-inch print width, which is ideal for standard shipping labels, asset tags, and industrial product labeling. It comes with a 600p resolution, which means your barcodes, text, and images come out crisp and highly legible. For businesses that require precision and clarity, especially for small barcodes or detailed logos, this level of resolution is a game changer. The ZT410 supports both direct thermal, DT, and thermal transfer, TT, printing. If you're unfamiliar with the difference, direct thermal uses heat-sensitive media and doesn't require ink or ribbons, making it cost-effective for short-term labeling. Thermal transfer, on the other hand, uses ribbons to create durable, long-lasting labels that can withstand harsh environments. This dual capability gives you incredible flexibility depending on your labeling needs. Connectivity options are robust, which is a big plus in modern workplaces. The printer comes with USB 2.0 and RS-232 serial interfaces, making it compatible with a wide range of existing hardware. Whether you're connecting to a desktop system, a warehouse management setup, or integrating it into a point-of-sale solution, Zebra has ensured compatibility without any headaches. Some setups might still use Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters, which can be added for network printing, but out of the box, the ZT410 handles direct connections seamlessly. One of the things I really appreciate about Zebra printers, and the ZT410 in particular, is the easy-to-use interface. You get a bright, intuitive LCD screen that allows you to navigate through setup menus, check printer status, and manage print jobs with minimal fuss. For technicians and operators who spend all day handling labels, this interface reduces mistakes and speeds up workflow, which is crucial in high-volume environments. Let's talk speed because, in a production or shipping environment, time is money. The ZT410 prints at up to 6 inches per second for the 203p model and slightly slower for the 600p version due to the higher resolution. Even at the higher resolution, it's fast enough to keep up with most small to medium scale labeling operations without causing bottlenecks. Durability is another highlight. This printer is designed to withstand the bumps, dust, and rough handling typical of industrial settings. The enclosure is sturdy, the media path is engineered for reliability, and Zebra's reputation for long-lasting components is evident here. Maintenance is straightforward, with easy access to the print head, platen roller, and ribbon path. If you ever need to swap out parts or perform routine cleaning, it's a quick process, which minimizes downtime. In terms of label management, the ZT410 supports a wide range of media types and sizes. From continuous rolls to pre-cut labels, and from standard paper labels to synthetic, weather-resistant materials, it handles it all. This versatility is critical if your business requires different label types for different applications, for example, shipping labels, inventory tags, or product identification. One cool feature worth mentioning is the tier bar. It's a simple addition but makes a big difference in daily operation. Labels can be quickly torn off without needing to use scissors or other tools, which may sound